Is it going? Oh my God, it is going. What's up, y'all? It's Kitty again. I'm reporting to you guys live from my little workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can help get your listings found easier on a platform like Etsy. Etsy is what's considered an SEO-based platform. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. What does that mean? So basically, the internet uses keywords to be able to narrow down what your product is and help get your product in front of somebody who's going to take an action with that product. So let's say you're trying to sell like a Halloween shirt, and in your listing, you put Halloween shirt in the title. That seems like a really great start, but you also have a lot of opportunities to give a little bit more of a description to your shirt so that Etsy has an opportunity to put that product in front of the person that's more likely to buy. The more that Etsy is able to pair up your product with the customer that wants it, the more Etsy wins. The more money Etsy generates, the more money you generate, and then the more it will push that listing out to somebody else because it's trying to make that match again and again and again. The internet is just like a big robot, and all we have to do is pretty much train that robot, give that robot as much information as possible so that that robot can make us some money. So I'm going to go into what my favorite tool is to do keyword research. It's called erank.com. They have a free version. You don't have to pay for anything, but it is a great resource, and you can go in there and just kind of start playing around. But be careful, because I believe if you're on the free plan, you can only do 5 searches a day. I know it's limited. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys how I use it to optimize my listings to get sales. So let's go. Okay, so welcome to the wonderful world of erank.com. This is an amazing keyword tool. If you're going to be listing on Etsy, you're obviously going to want to be adding as many keywords as possible so that we can get your products in front of the most customers. So the first thing you're going to want to start looking at or looking into here are the trends. And this is why this is a great tool to use, because you can see what people are searching for. So like, for instance, we're listing a hoodie today, but you can see here that when you go to what's trending, I went to this little area here that says hot. And then that brings you to this page. And you can see here, like, gifts is big right now. Gifts for her. Best gift is a good keyword. So we can throw these into our listing just because they're trending right now and they're hot. And those are probably always going to be, on Etsy, everybody searches for gifts anyway. So we can probably always put that in there. Also, we are listing a black hoodie. So you can see that black is a popularly searched color. And then here, shirt, we're not listing a shirt, but that seems to be the #1 searched product right now. Recipients, you could put there, it shows women. So we're obviously going to put women into our listing. Styles, you could say like modern or even retro in there. So we're going to want to use these because these are highly sought after keywords right now. And we're going to go just right up here and put hoodie and see what pops up here for that. All right. So it is showing that this is a popular searched keyword on Etsy this week. Look, it's got 36,000 searches, almost 37,000 searches. And so you're going to see here that here it's showing that hoodie itself is searched, but it's also got a lot of competition. So we're going to go a little bit further in here and look up other factors we might be able to add to our listing. So like inspirational hoodie, look at this. This is here. So we'll maybe put inspirational hoodie. Our shirt says human being. Like, I'm inspired to be a human being. I hope you are too. We could also put like positivity hoodie. We could put that in there. And the further you go in here, the better, because you're going to want to start looking at what might be able, when you get to this green area, this is going to show you're probably going to be able to pop up a lot easier because the competition is going to be a little bit less. So this is also a great place to come when you want to see like what kind of ideas you might want to, some other ideas for additional products you might want to start adding to your store. So it's a great tool. You can do, I believe with the free account, you can do
5 to maybe 10 searches a day. So don't just go searching for everything. But if you upgrade to their paid account, I believe you can search as many times as you want and you can have multiple shops. So yeah, we're going to take the information that we have that we just gathered and we're going to put that into our listing. Okay, so with the information we just gathered from eRank, we're going to go through and we are going to now optimize our listing for SEO success. So first things first, when it comes to the title in your Etsy listings, you can just put keywords in here. People are going to be looking for the actual product itself. So when it comes to the product, we're going to want to focus more on creating high quality content in the images than we are going to focus on making the title so descriptive about what the item is. So here we can just put, because we want to just put, remember, as many keywords in here as possible. So we're going to put women's sweatshirt, and then you can just do one of these guys in the middle there. Then you can put black hoodie. You can do black sweatshirt. You could do, well, another one was positivity hoodie. Another one was gifts for her. Another one was best gift. Another one we could do is sweatshirt. And another one we could do is women's hoodie. And we could also do like gift because it looks like we're running out of space here. Okay, so that should make it a very keyword rich title. And then I will go through and show you guys how to create mockups and videos. But now here in the description, we're also going to load this up with keywords. And so this is the description that comes directly from Printify. I just kind of go through and like try to make it as easy for them as possible. So don't worry too much about like, obviously the more words, the better in every single description. So we can go through here. You can also do what I do in my other listings where you might be able to like add a little bit of your shop information in here. I would obviously leave as much information here as you possibly can. And then down here at the bottom, we're also going to throw in those keywords. Women's sweatshirt, and so on and so forth. So you're just going to add as many keywords as you possibly can in here. Obviously, don't take up too much space because it'll make the listing really, really, really long. But you want to make sure that you're using keywords you've done a little bit of research on, and then you can go ahead and publish.